sales group. This binary program allows you to earn 4,800 Naira every time the system detects someone joins on the left and someone joins on the right. One of the many ways to earn a match sales bonus is this. Every time someone buys a global package on the left side, at the same time someone buys a global package on the right side with 600 points each, you will earn 4,800 Naira. Every time someone buys a global package on the left side which is 600 points, and at the same time someone buys a product worth 600 points on the right side, you will earn 4,800 Naira. And every time someone buys products on the left side, and at the same time someone buys products on the right side with 600 points each, you will earn 4,800 Naira as your match sales bonus. What's exciting in match sales bonus is you are allowed 20 matches per day times or multiplied by 4,800 Naira. You will have a daily potential income of 96,000 Naira or 2.8 million Naira a month. This binary program has no maintenance, no time frame, and of course, daily payout. Yes, you heard me right, daily payout. Why? Because we pay our distributors on a daily commissions. That's why AIM Global was awarded in terms of innovation because we are the only MLM company who pay our distributors on a daily basis. Let's go to Unilevel program. In Unilevel bonus, you will earn commissions through product reorders or product movement or route. Means say every time someone buys products under your organization, you will earn in Unilevel. You will earn 5% on the first level and 5% on the placement. That is 10% total. And on the second to the 10th level, you will earn 5% Unilevel commissions. Now, let's talk about stair-step program. Stair-step program is the same with Unilevel. The basis of commission is through product movement or product reorders. But the difference is through rank differential. If you see on the illustration, you will start being a distributor as your position. If you will get promoted by earning 10 positional points, you will be called Silver Executive. In Silver Executive, you will have 10% overriding commission. When you earn 100 points, you will be now promoted as Gold Executive and another 20% overriding commissions. For Global Ambassador, 1,000 positional points. And you will earn or you will have 30% overriding commissions. In stair-step program, there is no time frame, no reversion, no demotion, and no pass-out. To wrap it up, binary program pays on a daily basis, Unilevel and stair-step pays on a monthly basis. So that is the summary of our marketing program. Our marketing plan is very lucrative, tested, and proven. You might as well consider this because we have the best lucrative marketing plan. Join us and be part of this momentum business. We believe that everyone has a chance to earn even if they are ordinary people. So don't doubt anymore. Be an entrepreneur based on our powerful program. We will help you to be an entrepreneur. We will help you to get your dreams. And together we will be successful. Power!
Let's give Alliance Promotion Global Inc. a big one before it speaks. Congratulations.
Our payment method is through online banking. We have the Zenith Bank, Access Bank, Fidelity Bank, and Eco Bank.